How to buy prepaid electricity in Ghana through mobile money. What I have to do is just dial the star code *226# on all network. Then you select any of the network. Okay. So when it comes, we have these options. Okay. I just want you to select the option 1, pay prepaid or postpaid. Okay. Just select this option and it will allow you to pay your prepaid with lease. Okay. So after selecting it, and then it comes, you see that you have to add your meter. So select the option 1 and then add a meter. So they will ask you, it being a prepaid meter or a postpaid, then you select any of them. For this tutorial, I'm using option 1. Then you put in the number here. After that, you'll be asked to select the amount that you want to pay. Then you pay it. It is simple, okay? But if you are on MTN as well, you can also use the MTN mobile code, the *170#. Then you select MTN. And you can choose from the options 2, that is the Momo Pay and Pay Bill. Okay, that is the option 2. After selecting it, we have the Momo Pay and then the Pay Bill. Then you select the Pay Bill. When it comes, you see we have the utilities, which is option 1. You just have to select the option 1, and then it will ask you to select anyone that you want to pay the bill for, which is option 1, which is ECG. Then you select that one too, and then you can pay it. So thank you for watching this video, and then see you in my next video.